So why do light workers stay broke? Why are they seemingly always struggling for money, broke, having trouble, financial difficulties, and they can't seem to manifest abundance to actually do the things they love doing more? There's a very good reason for this, and this is not clickbait. I promise you I will explain why light workers seem to be broke, why you struggle with money, and how to fix it. So firstly, I actually have created a system, a way that you as a light worker, or really anyone who wants to share their gift, can make money passively by sharing what you love. This is not some weird course, some weird thing. This is a proven system that I do myself, and essentially I'm doing it now. I'm sharing what I love, and in return I am the way is open for me to make money doing that, and I make a passive income by sharing what I love with the world. So yeah, I have a way. Link is in the description. Video explains a bit more about how you can do that, but that's not what this video is about. This video is just explaining kind of why light workers tend to be struggling financially. There's a few reasons for that. So the first one is money blocks. A money block is essentially like a limiting negative programming or a limiting belief that you might have, where you think money is bad, or where you have something relating to the concept of money, which usually we learn at a young age. We learn things like rich people are greedy, being rich is bad, money doesn't grow on trees, you have to work hard to get money, people with lots of money tend to be lazy, or these are all limiting, negative, and mostly incorrect beliefs, things that are holding you back from making money by doing what you love. So on top of that, so you have the money blocks, there is one critical limiting belief that so many light workers have, and that is relating to spiritual content or spiritual work. They think that if it's anything to do with spirituality, if it's anything to do with consciousness or that kind of topic, it should be free, and you should never charge for it, and you should never make money from it. And what this means, ironically, is that you're less able to do that work. You're less able to help people for a few reasons. Okay, so the first one is if you don't make money from what you love doing, right? Let's say, for example, spirituality or light worker stuff. I'm just going to call it light worker stuff for now, okay? If you don't make money from that, what that means is you have to find or make money from somewhere, okay? Unless you own a house outright and you have loads of savings, you have to make or earn money somehow. So if you don't make it from your spiritual stuff, you're going to have to get a job. Now, what that means, even if you like your job, which most people do not like their job, even if you like your job, you don't have as much time or even any time to work on your spiritual stuff. So you're very limited in terms of what you can do and how much you can help the world with your spiritual or light worker stuff, your gifts, your spiritual energy. You're limited because you have to spend all your time working for somebody else doing a job you either like or don't like. It's even worse if you have to do a job that you don't like, because now you're actually giving not only your time but also your energy, your willpower, your soul essentially to a job you don't like. And as well as that, you're not able to do your spiritual stuff as much. Now compare that on the other hand to, imagine if you could make money doing what you love, doing your spiritual work and your light worker mission. Imagine if that could make you a full-time income, or even more than a full-time income. Now, suddenly, you don't have to work for somebody else, and every single day you can focus on your gift, on giving to the world what you came here to give the world. You know, sharing your gifts and information and knowledge and experiences with the world as a light worker. It's so much better for everyone, because not only do you get to do something you love, you get supported financially, but also because you're supported financially, you have more time to do it. So therefore you can give more back to the world. And not just in terms of paid stuff, it doesn't have to be that way. You can literally offer 1% of your content or your stuff as paid and 99% as free for everybody. And this way, if people want free stuff, they have it, and you're able to give it, all of your attention and time. And if they want to support you, which a lot of people do, then you're also able, through that 1% of content that you charge for, you're able to get paid. And in many cases, you're paid a passive income. And ironically, it becomes a positive spiral. So what happens is, as you offer something, or you charge or offer something paid, that then gives you money, which ultimately, really money gives you time to offer more free stuff. So a spiritual or light worker who offers paid things, products, courses, ebooks, whatever, ultimately they are able to give more free stuff than somebody who doesn't charge anything. because they have more time, money, resources and energy to give that free stuff back to the world. So hopefully, you can start to see how it's almost a no-brainer why you, as a light worker or a spiritual person, you should be charging or making money from your passion. Not entirely, it should be that split in my opinion. You should have 1% where you charge, 99% that is free. Like this video now, for example, I'm making this for free. How am I able to do that? How do I have the time to film this video on a Monday morning at 11 a.m? Why am I not working in a job? Because I'm able to make money from this. I'm able to make money doing my mission, which then enables me to make these videos like this for free. Do you see how it works? So although I am making money from my passion, from my spiritual lightworker stuff, it's only 1%. And most of the time you don't even notice it. You just see this video that I'm making now. You see the articles I write, the emails. It's all free. It's all out there. But I'm only able to do that because I'm charging that for that 1% of my content. And that means I have all of my time, 9 to 5 or any hours basically all week, that I can dedicate to making content that helps the world. That is such a different reality to somebody with limiting money blocks who thinks, I can never charge for my stuff. I have to just do it on the side. I have to do a job to make money, and then I have to do my stuff on the side. And what this means is you don't do either one very well. And you definitely don't have as much time to do your stuff, the lightworker stuff, your mission, because you've got to focus most of your energy and time on making money at a job you probably don't even like. But, I completely get it. I know that these money blocks are kind of drilled into us from a young age. We're not told that this is even an option. We're told that you have to go to university, that you have to get a job you probably won't like and work hard, and then maybe if you're lucky you can retire. That's just not the case. That doesn't have to be true. That's one possible reality out of an infinite number. So yeah, like I said, if you are interested in this, you can check out my video in the description. I explain a lot more about this and how essentially you can take your passion, knowledge or information and turn it into a way that you can make passive income by simply doing this, by sharing what you love with the world. So yeah, check it out if you like the idea, and let me know in the comments what you think about this and about the idea of money blocks.